5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ha, fuck it up, 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 ha, let's go.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're more than welcome to stay. Just let me know how you got here in the comments. Today's video is all about Valentine's Day. It's around the corner, and I'm pretty sure you're on this video because you probably don't have any idea of what you want to wear. This video is pretty much a guide to getting yourself together. These outfits that I put together, it's applicable for any given situation, whether you're going out, staying in the house, anything. Before we get into it, just make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and join the fam. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you in a minute. How cute is this two-piece set from Fashion Nova? This is a burgundy two-piece wide leg set, and I'm wearing an extra small. It has a little cutout in the back. Let me step back so you guys can see. I'm 5'4", and it stops like right at the floor for me, the bottom part of these pants. It's really cute, loose fitting, but tight at the same time. It accentuates your curves, the little curves that I don't have. But this is definitely one of those outfits like you're going to the bar, happy hour, cocktail type of situation. So yeah, I got this from Forever 21. It's a strapless white tube dress, and I definitely look like a tall glass of milk right now. Like, I'm feeling it. The dress itself, I'm gonna step back so you can see. The dress itself stops like right below my knee. You can dress this up or down, throw you on a pair of heels, pop on a jean jacket, and this is definitely a look. So do not go on my little spot that I got in this dress, but whatever. Red is for black women, seriously. Not to toot our horn or offend anyone, but red is for black women. This is a bandage dress that I got from YOLO, which is a local boutique here in Chicago. Super cute, super form-fitting, and then this slit right here just adds an extra, a little dash of sexy, you know. This is also a dress that I got from a local boutique here in Chicago. As you can see, I'm like in love with bodycon dresses. This is a burgundy, velvety, what do you call it? Ruche. I don't even know how to pronounce this shit, but you know how like scrunches it up a little bit. It creates like an illusion that you have like curves and stuff like that. Yeah, I love this dress, and I actually like popped the strap on it, so I'm kind of pissed about that. Like, fine wine, come on, stop. Okay, let me be the first to let you know that if you wear something like this on Valentine's Day, y'all not making it to y'all plans, period. You're not gonna be able to leave the house. Like, where you think you're going? Definitely one of those type of dresses. But I also got this from boutique. I apologize because, yeah, I'm steady putting y'all on, but like not really, because most of this stuff is local. But if I find something similar online, of course I'm gonna link it down for you. But this is a blush pink. It has like little sparkly glitter detailing going on. It's a party in the front because you got the little dip, the little swoop. If you got small boobs like me, you can probably pull it off, but not really, because like this dress definitely deserves boobs. Like, but anyways, enough of the front. When you turn around, baby, who ain't get no man on Valentine's Day? Who? Please let me know. Hold up. Please let me know who ain't get no man on Valentine's Day. Oh, nah, just kidding though. But like, the back is strapped. I love these type of dresses. Your whole back is out. You just slaying them. All eyes gonna be on you if you wear this dress on Valentine's Day, period. Another thing, this string is super duper long. Like, the way I had it tied up was my personal preference, but this string basically stops at the floor. It's kind of sick. Definitely stops at the floor. Baby, you could do all of this. You could walk in the club, fuck everybody. Can't see, can't walk. Okay, I gotta stop. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorites. I love this dress. Sad, like, it got to sit in my closet. That's sick. So this dress is similar to the blush pink dress I showed you guys. I just wanted to do a close-up because I want to show you how iridescent it is. Like, depending on how the light hits you, you get it like pink or purple type of situation. It's such a cute dress. I got it from Windsor a long time ago. It was like homecoming season, and I scooped this bad baby up. V-neck, you got the little padded bra to help the little itty bitty titty committee out. Me. But you turn around and it's crisscross designing in the back. Really cute dress. I actually love this dress because of the fact that it's iridescent. Let's pay attention to the detail of this baby. This bad baby right here. But as you can tell, I love V-necks, even though I ain't got no titties. And I love glitter. I love to shine, I love to shimmer. But yeah, this piece is a two-piece set. It's actually from an Instagram boutique called I'm Me Collection. I'll be sure to link it below. Whoa, like, I hope my ashy tail's not in there, but baby, you don't even gotta do nothing. You just put this dress on and everybody's immediately gravitating towards you. I think I might actually wear this on Valentine's Day, even though I ain't going nowhere. But I love this. It's so cute. This dress is from Fashion Nova. And if you buy this dress, make sure you get something to cover the boobs in the private area because it is see-through. Like, it's very see-through, which is why I'm showing y'all like this. But yeah, it's really cute. This is one of those bold, I'm gonna go all Alpha V-Day, like, this that revenge dress, baby. Looking for revenge. Oh, summer 16. But no, for real, I got this jacket from Make Me Chic and then the dress from Fashion Nova. I want this jacket to match this dress so bad it hurts, but it's alright. Now, if you're one of those people that really don't care for like the Valentine color schemes, like myself, like it doesn't really matter to me, you could throw on you a little hoodie dress. Super cute, but once you throw on some like thigh-high boots, it turns from sporty to chic like real quick. Fuck around like this on Valentine's Day. Also, do not mind the stains. I'm sorry, I had chicken, so I know y'all was like, dang, this girl got a lot of dresses. I got all this stuff and don't be having nowhere to go. But we're gonna switch it up a little bit on the chiller side for Valentine's Day. I got this shirt from, I don't even remember, honestly. You can find this shirt anywhere though. A lot of people have these shirts, especially boutiques. These jogger pants are from Route 21. I'm so sorry if I'm ashy, but hey, I'm not putting the lotion on, so blame me if you want to. But yeah, the reason I threw these on with this top is because of the fact that it has like the open leg type situation going on. You could throw on some black fishnets underneath this and throw you on some booties and it's a whole ass look. Like, it's gonna be really cute. Hi. Fun fact, these are an extra small and I can't even fit them. That's why I got them, like this. I broke the zipper on my skirt, but I'm gonna still show you guys the outfit. Of course, the denim skirt is like a staple for going out anywhere. Like, you could throw this on with anything, put some heels on, and it's a look, which is why I'm showing you guys this. Because I know some of y'all got a denim skirt in y'all closet right now. Y'all probably don't even know that y'all can use it. Like, I'm wearing this with the little lingerie top. I forget where I get this top from. I really don't know, but it's kind of see-through. If you're looking hard enough, you can see all my goodies. Don't be staring at my shit, man. Oh, I got this from AliExpress. And the reason why I know I got it from AliExpress because it came super big and I had to adjust it. Like, it did not come as a halter. I ended up making it a halter so it could fit me a little bit. But yeah, this is the fit. This outfit screams like summer. But so yeah, another off the shoulder top. And low-key, these are like the only jeans that I have that is not ripped. I wear ripped jeans all of my life. That's pretty much me. But this whole fit is from Fashion Nova. No, it's not. It's from Forever 21. Super cute, super simple. Throw you on some little heels or something. Throw on a fur. Call it a day, baby. Call it a day. Last but definitely not least, the anti-Valentine's Day sleigh. I scratched myself. But yeah, so if you're not into Valentine's Day but you still want to go out and look good, you can never go wrong with black, first and foremost, duh. These jeans are from Forever 21. I just cut them up myself and then I put a little slit in the back, the peekaboo. But yeah, I got those jeans from Forever 21, and then this top is actually a swimsuit. Yeah, I got it from Zappel online. Don't judge me. I love to be like versatile. It's such a cute top. Like, why couldn't this be a bodysuit? I'm wearing this bodysuit, so it don't matter, but still, they need to make some more of these but bodysuit material, because that's the only giveaway that is a swimsuit, the material. But that's all I got for y'all. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to get some ideas, inspiration, so you can slay Valentine's Day for your man, for yourself, for your haters, for your ex, all of that. Like, let's just make it a great one. If you like this video, make sure you comment down below your favorite outfit that I showed you guys. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed. You're more than welcome to stay here, like, I don't mind. And then turn on post notifications so that you're notified when I upload, because YouTube be tripping. It be tripping sometimes. But yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.